Do I need a LinkedIn profile? That makes me chuckle. Hi, I'm Martin Buckland. I'm an executive career management practitioner and I help senior executives reach their career goals. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell button where you will be notified of all future videos, and there's lots to come. So the question is, do I need a LinkedIn profile? My philosophy as a career management practitioner is if you don't have a LinkedIn profile, you are committing career suicide. Yes, that's very strong words, but everyone, every professional from top to bottom needs a LinkedIn profile. There are people searching for your talent right now, and what are they using? They are using LinkedIn as a resource to search for talent. So you can have a basic LinkedIn profile, but you need to have a fully functional, completed from top to bottom, using all the different sections of LinkedIn that they provide you. Fill it right out. It's all character sensitive, but you need to have the maximum impact, the maximum number of text. The more information you share on your LinkedIn profile, the more calls you will get from career influencers. LinkedIn is also a venue for people to recommend you. I would suggest you solicit recommendations, or people might just of their own volition, after they've worked with you, give a recommendation. What better than somebody else, maybe your boss, a peer, one of your employees, a vendor, a supplier, or a customer and client, giving you a testimonial, a recommendation on how great you are. You also need to be active on LinkedIn. Share, publish, connect with people. That's what it's all about. I'm Martin Buckland and I'm an executive career management practitioner, and I call myself a self-proclaimed LinkedIn junkie. I am always on LinkedIn. So if you want to connect with me, or you've got any conversation point about your career management, let's talk on LinkedIn, or we pick up the phone, or we can have a Zoom. Thank you.